If you are wondering why your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro flashing a red light, there's like two the most common problems with these earbuds. So if you try to basically close the case and charge them, this is the first problem. Sometimes it will start blinking red. For me, there's the red solid light, but if you have some problems, for example, the cable is broken or something is wrong with this USB-C port, then it will just keep blinking like this. And you have to just take a look closely into that port, and you can try to clean this by using some plastic part or made out of the wood and simply take off any dirt that is here. But sometimes the problem may be also with pins. So take a look inside this case. We can find a gold pins. They are used for charging. So if there is something here or on earbud pin, it will also announce you that it's not charging properly. So we can just pick something like this plastic part and take it off, like any mess or something that just sticks here, or you can just use microfiber cloth and clean it properly. And this is two the biggest problems. Let me know if it was helpful for you.